Hi everybody, we're going to replace a motor in a TT350R today. This procedure actually works for all the TT bikes. Remove our chain guard. Going to take our shock loose. Don't pull it all the way out yet. Loosen our rear axle up. And our brake anchor bolt on the other side. Just loosen them, don't take them all out. Now we're going to lay the bike on its side. Move your 4 screws out of the bottom of your motor. Make sure you hang on to all of it. And now we're going to get our chain off. Disconnect the electric wiring to the motor. You loosened that shock bolt up earlier. Remove it now. Slide the shock out of the way. I don't know if you can see that, but and then pull your motor up and out. So now we got our other motor here. I'm going to put this guy right back in it. Set your chain over the sprockets. Kind of watch it that it actually gets on the sprockets there. Hold it up in place. Put your shock back in place. Make sure your brake cable goes in under the motor. Hold your motor up. Get your screws started by hand. Now this motor sits all the way against the rear fork, so when you get it situated, kind of square it up. Make sure it's all the way over to the left side. And tighten them up. Okay. Stand her up. Let's tighten our shock bolt back up. Yeah, we got our motor in there. Now let's tighten up our shock bolt. Tighten up the shock bolt. It's all free. My brake cable's in place. It's free. Now let's adjust our chain. New motor's off just a little bit, so I'm going to pull it back here. Just a couple flats at a time. I got her pretty close. Now we're going to tighten her up. Double check our chain. Not too bad. Now let's lock our brake mounting plate back down. Now let's hook our wire up to our motor. Can't forget that. While we're at it, let's check our brake here. Rolls freely. Good shape. Got a good brake handle. Alright, let's give it a test here real quick. Alright. Turn it on. Look at that. Alright, we're back in business. Let's put a chain guard on this thing and take her for a spin.